Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix PayPal not linking to your bank account. So to resolve PayPal not linking to your bank account, first verify your bank account details. Name, account number, routing number are correct and match your PayPal account. Ensure your bank is compatible with PayPal and not already linked to the maximum number of PayPal accounts, which is usually 3, right? Don't mind this one because it doesn't work actually. So if issues persist, check for any holds or limitations on your bank account or PayPal account. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. You can click the 3 bars at the top right or the update at the top and go to, of course, the settings, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna see, of course, your on the left hand menu right here, you're gonna see privacy and security. Just press it, and we're gonna click, of course, delete browsing data, cache, and cookies. Okay, and afterwards, after you hit delete data, you're gonna try again. Okay, and if problems continue, contact PayPal support for further assistance from within the app. Right, they have a bot and they will direct you to a professional or agent to help or to walk you through the problem. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.